Hey everyone, I'm Brian.
I'm Tyler.
And we're Gardener in Love.
Hey guys, today we are outside in our garden and we're going to be showing you 3 beautiful pink annuals that will be workhorses for you in your garden this summer. A lot of you have been wondering, what do I need to plant for constant color? Something that I don't need to give a lot of maintenance to, I don't have to come out and deadhead, and we have a solution for you, let me tell you. So these 3 plants are beautiful all season long. They are continuous rebloomers. They need no deadheading at all, and they've got big, beautiful, bold pink color that we think you're really gonna like.
They're also great for super hot climates. We know you guys understand that we are in Charlotte in 7B, and it has been hot here lately. And so these plants are gonna last all summer long through that heat, and they're not gonna wilt every day. We're not gonna have to take care of them too much, and we love that.
And these plants are not new by any means. You probably have already heard of them, but we're gonna highlight them for you because we think that they're really great additions to your garden. So let's get to it.
All right.
So we are here in front of our trellis bed, and I know last time we were here we did not have a name, but thanks to you guys we finally landed on a name that I think we like. So we're going with trellis bed officially, but you can see everything is in bloom here. It's just really looking beautiful. The Vitex is in its full glory behind me. So we're going to be adding some beautiful annuals today. So I'm going to start right here with 2 different colors of pentas. So I have Sunstar Pink and Sunstar Rose, and you can see these have big, beautiful, nice blooms on them. They are almost similar to a hydrangea, if you will, in the amount of sheer flowers on top of one bloom stalk. These are no deadheading required, although they look like you probably would need to. Now you can come out here and cut off the spent blooms once they're done, but it will continue to reflower even if you don't do that. So these 2 colors are obviously great together, but you could also plant these alone. There's 2 additional colors in the series as well from proven winners. And these are really great additions for your hot climate. So if you're down here in the south like us, run to your garden center and pick you up some pentas. Your garden will thank you for it, to say the least. So we have 5 on this side and 5 on the other side, and we did the hot pink in front and the light pink in the back, and just kind of dotted them through the Super Tunia Latte here, and they'll kind of mound up, so there'll be some really nice pop of color, and we'll get some height. So that's the other thing that these are great for. Good kind of like second row plants to get some nice height in your garden. Layers are key for making a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing garden. Okay, moving on to plant number 2. So up next we have Truffle Pink Gomphrena. Now I know you guys have probably seen this one around before, but it is a really great staple in your garden. Gets about 2.5 feet tall, and it will be covered with blooms all summer long. No deadheading required, and this one is a really great pollinator attractor. So you'll see the bees all over it, probably see butterflies. It's going to give you some nice height, and you'll get really dense color from this one. So we've got 5 dotted in here, and these will really fill in and fill up the space nicely and give us some nice height right behind the lamb's ear here, and it will become the main show as our foxgloves start to go out of bloom. So I'm very excited to see this one come together. So those are all of the plants for this bed. We're going to take you to our south side garden to show you one more. Okay, last on our list for today, but certainly not least, is Rockin fuchsia. So this is a salvia, and it will get really big. So this gets about 2 to 3 feet tall and about 2 feet wide. It's got these really beautiful little hot pink flowers on it, and the calyxes, which is this piece here that the bloom comes out of, are kind of a dark mauve color. and it's really nice. So you don't need to deadhead this one once the blooms fall off to encourage reblooming. I actually kind of like the way the calyx looks on here without flowers in it. If you don't prefer that look, you can come in here and snip that off, but it will keep reblooming for you all summer long, no matter whether you deadhead or not. One thing that we love about the Rockin salvias is that they are an amazing hummingbird attractor. So usually somewhere for us around 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll go look out the window, and usually within 30 minutes or so, there's a hummingbird out here. So if you like hummingbirds like we do, you gotta get the Rockin salvias for your garden. This will actually come back for you if you're in a zone 9B or hotter. So for us, depending on the winter, we may get lucky and this will come back. So we're putting these in a prominent location here. So I've got 5 here in this spot. So you may remember that we had 2 roses here and they did not like this spot because it's way too wet. So we pulled those out, put them somewhere else in the garden, and we're gonna fill this up with salvia here, hopefully in another month or so. This will just be filled with hot pink blooms, and we can see this spot from our kitchen, from the deck, so we'll get to see the hummingbirds come and feed on the nectar. So those are our 3 choices for pink annuals. The only thing left to do is plant them. Let's get started.
All right, everyone, so we've got our pink annuals all planted up and they're looking beautiful. It is hot out here. You guys can't tell, but it's extremely humid.
Sweaty.
I have been dripping sweat for the past hour, and a big storm rolled through last night and it has brought a lot of humidity with it, but it gave a lot of water to the garden, and for that we are very, very thankful. But we're gonna show you these plants and head in for the night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see other videos from us, be sure you subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.